Good morning. In this lecture we are discussing light emitting diode, its working principle in detail along with the diagram, its applications, some special usage also. This lecture is again concerned to BSc second year students, subject physics, paper number 9, basic electronics. Now we shall discuss about working principle of LED, light emitting diode, how it works, how it emits light. This concept we have to be clear. Here you see, here whenever positive terminal, forward biasing is there, here it is shown here pictorially. Whenever PN junction light emitting diode is forward biased, these electrons, they overrun this junction and they recombine with holes. During this recombination, light energy is, photons are produced, and because of these photons, what happens? Electrical energy is released. When this movement of the electron and hole takes place, there is a change in energy level as the voltage drops from conduction band to the valence band, and there is a release of energy due to the motion of electrons. In standard diodes, the release of energy in the manner of heat. In case of semiconductor PN ordinary junction diode, the release of energy is in the form of heat or in the manner of heat. But in the LED, the release of energy in the form of photons would emit light energy. The entire process is known as electroluminescence, and the diodes are known as light emitting diode. See what happens actually. Electrons, they overrun the junction, they combine with the holes, and during this recombination, what happens? There is a release of energy. In case of ordinary diodes, in case of ordinary PN junction diode, this release of energy is in the form of heat. But in case of light emitting diode, this release of energy is in the form of photons and would emit light energy. So this entire, in this forward biasing, the diode emits continuously energy, that is light energy. In LED, energy discharged in light form hinges on the forbidden gap energy. One could manipulate the wavelength of light produced. Therefore, from its wavelength, the light color and its visibility cannot be controlled. The color and wavelength of light emitted can be determined by doping it with the several impurities. Color of lighting depends upon the doping, impurity, type of impurity also. Not only amount of doping, but also it depends upon the type of impurities or several impurities. So in this way, working principle of LED takes place. In short, only one has to remember that whenever diode, a light emitting diode is forward biased, electrons overrun the junction and they combine with holes. And during this recombination, there is a release of energy in the form of photons and would emit light. So in this way, during recombination, light is produced. So this is working principle of your LED. Now let's turn towards various types of LED. Some LEDs are listed here. The types are listed here below. So depending upon the requirement, types of LEDs are utilized in different electric circuits. Then how they are utilized, that is another matter. But at least we should know, in our syllabus only it is expected to have the types of LEDs. First one is miniature LEDs. If you go through Google, then you will come to know where it is used, how its construction is there. High power LEDs, second one. Next one is flash LED, flashing, for flashing purpose. Bi and tricolor LEDs. Depending upon the requirement, we can utilize bi means 2, tri means 3. 2 colored LEDs are there, 3 color LEDs are available. So which we require, as per our requirement, we have to connect in the electric circuit. Red, green, blue LEDs. See now, different colors. RGB LEDs or red, green, blue LEDs. Next one is lighting LED. Lighting LED. One has to utilize in lighting. So these are the 7 different types of LEDs which we utilize in our various equipments. There are some common uses of LED. What are the common uses of LED? LED applications in various fields. There are various fields where LEDs are applicable. One of the fields is optical communication, alarm and security systems, remote control operations. You might have observed remote control of television, remote control of AC, robotics. Then LEDs are utilized. In our mobile phone, LEDs are utilized for flashing. We say flash on off. What is it? It is nothing but light emitting diode. Here optical communication, alarm and security communication, remote controlled operations, robotics. In case of robotics also, LEDs are used, etc. Then why LEDs are used? That is very important. One should know why LEDs are applicable, why LEDs only used in these various fields. The reason behind it is that it finds usage in many such areas because of its long-lasting capability. It lasts for a long capability. It requires low power. Very important concept again. Requirement of LED, it requires for its conduction low power. See, long lasting capability, low power requirement, swift response time and fast switching capabilities. These are the qualities. These qualities in LED are caused to use in different fields. Long lasting capability, low power requirement, swift response time, fast switching capabilities. Then some standard uses of LEDs are there. What are the standard uses of LED? Previously I have shown you one circuit also, that is 8-watt electric bulb using IC and LEDs. That is nothing but standard use. So here, other than that, there are various again standard uses of LED. What are the standard uses of LED? Number 1, it is used for TV backlighting. For television backlighting also it is used. Uses in displays. For using displays, display boards on the roads, advertising boards on the roads, LEDs are used. LEDs are also useful in automotives. Instead of heavy consuming potential bulbs, we have to use low power consuming LEDs in automobile. Next one, LEDs are used in dimming lights. In order to dim the light, LEDs are used. So from this it is clear that LEDs are utilized in various fields. There are some standard uses of LEDs also. We can use LEDs for such a purposes where we can where electric bulbs are manufactured. Here it is given circuit diagram of 9-watt electric bulb using LED. 9-watt, 10-watt, 4-watt, depending upon requirement, we can utilize a circuit in which LEDs are utilized. So in this way, there are various applications of light emitting diode. Earlier we have seen how to identify the electrodes of LED, which one is anode, which one is cathode, what its actual construction is like this. Then we have seen how it works in forward bias. When current passes through the LED, their holes and electrons recombine with each other, and there is a emitting of light in the process. We have also seen the working principle of LED. With the help of this figure, we have seen various types of LEDs, like this miniature LED. What is LED? Whenever it is asked, then you can say that it is a semiconductor PN junction diode, and when it is connected in forward bias, it emits light. That is said to be what? LED. In this way, these are the types of LEDs we have seen one by one to discuss. Then we have also seen the different types of LEDs along with their uses. Common uses of LED in optical communication, alarm security system, remote control system, robotics, etc. Why they are utilized, this also we have seen. And we have also seen some standard uses of LED. So like TV backlight, uses in displays, automotives, and dimming light, etc. So in this way, LEDs, we have seen about LEDs in detail. Question may be asked in an examination about principle of working of LED, symbol of LED, its connection or circuit diagram of LED, what are the uses of LED, and so on.